Hello, it's Patrick. Welcome to my tech demo for Google Apps Script. This is my very first app script, just getting used to what I can do. What I'm going to show today is how I can interface using the app script to affect something in a spreadsheet and also in Google Drive. What I'm going to try and attempt is, given some information about company name, company size, I'm going to create respective folders that matches the company's name. Let's say given this, I want to be able to automate this, and for every entry in this spreadsheet, create 004, that's the first cell, the company underscore 00042, kind of a 5-digit zero padded number at the back. I want to be able to have that. And then inside each of these folders create another new folder called photos. And then each folder is going to have their link. So I expect to have the photo folder's link populated here, and then its cell itself will also have its link, and I expect that to be populated over here. So it's going to do all these for each of the entries for me. I have deliberately entered non-empty cells here. I'm specifically watching for the existence of data in the name field instead of just getting like non-empty. If I start to get non-empty, my cell with data will be registered at from 3 to 11, which then will give me, if there's a company name like that, will be 006 empty and empty. So that's some of the cases that I think that I can try and recreate and then overcome. So what I'm actually looking for is this company name cell. If there is data in it, I will create a corresponding folder here. But if there isn't, I will just skip it. So this is kind of testing myself to see whether I can only act on conditions that are relevant and not just indiscriminately look for non-empty cells and just act on it. That's what I'm going to do. I'll delete that example one. I'll run this and we'll see some execution logs. It goes through each of the cells to create a folder, and then it also creates the link. So it's finished running. You will see that we have populated things here. It did not run on 6, 7, 8, 9. You will also see here my final value for the cells 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9 gets empty. I didn't do anything on that. For the things that I did do, created a folder and I get the link for the folder. You'll see that in our Google Drive, these got created, and for each of these, there is a photo folder inside each of these. And just as a test, I will click on one of the links here. It brings me to company A folder, and then I'm going to go to another random one, company B's photo folder, for example. So click on that. It brought me to company B photo folder. So I'm going to mess up my workflow a bit. So let's say that the folders are already existing. For some reason, Google Drive is able to let user create multiple folders of the same name. That gets very confusing very fast because you get like duplicated folders and you don't know which one is which one. There's nothing to tell them apart besides the unique URL link. In the development of this, I did end up with multiple folders and I deleted them all, rerun the script again. Now I have a mechanism to check for the existence of the folder of a particular name, and then I will skip that. So with these already here, I run, and let's see the log again. So all of these now register that the folder already exists, and it doesn't do anything. Okay, so the next possibility is that the folder exists, but some of the links are not here. So I run it again. You'll see that when the folder exists, it will get the link and repopulate these again. No fear that you lose the link or to manually go repopulate it again. So the other possibility is maybe the photo folders are not created. So on the 02 and 04 maybe, 02, I'll go and delete the photo folders. Right, 04, I go and delete the photo folders. And let's run the script again. And when it's finished, I go to 02, you'll see that the photo folders are here again, and 04, and the photo folder has been created again. And actually, it also updated the links to the 02 and 04 folders because let's do 03 and 05 now. So 03, I delete, 05 folder, I delete. So what happens after deletion is that 03 photo folder and 05 photo folders are now not valid. They don't exist anymore. But yet, when I recreate them again, they will most certainly get new unique links. They're not the old links anymore. So the old links will be replaced by the new links. So now let's run it again. When I'm running, you'll see these two. It's creating the photo folder for 3 and for 5, and the links for 3 and 5 will also update. So run, and when it's finished running, you'll see these two links update. And now I go to 03, you'll see the photo folders, and you go to 05, you'll see the photo folders. Google Apps Script is more powerful than I thought, and I am excited to see what kind of other workflows that we can do for this. Once we have certain rules, we code it in, and without us having to worry about that. The inflexible thing is that when your rules change, we have to re-evaluate our logic and our workflow, spend some time to code it in, and once the code is there, it will again behave predictably every time. Thank you for watching the sharing. Thank you.